Hello everyone! Today we will discuss on how to identify conics using discriminant. What is conic section? It is a curve formed when a plane intersects a right circular cone or double nap cone. The resulting curves are circle, hyperbola, ellipse, and parabola. So now identifying conics using discriminant. So our first step is identify coefficients A, B, and C. So in general form, the coefficient A, B, and C is EX squared plus BXY plus CY squared plus DX plus AY plus F is 0. It can be used in determining the conic section. So our coefficient A contains x squared, our coefficient B contains xy, and our coefficient C contains y squared. So our step 2 is distribute coefficients on discriminant. So our discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. So our step 3 is solve and identify the conic section. The graph can be a circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. So how do you know if it is circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola? It's circle if the discriminant is less than 0, B is equal 0, and C is equal to A, it is a circle. So in ellipse, if the discriminant is less than 0 and either B is not equal to 0 or A is not equal to C, it is an ellipse. So in parabola, if the discriminant is equal to 0, it is the discriminant is equal to 0, it is a parabola. And in hyperbola, if the discriminant is greater than to 0, it is hyperbola. So, I have examples here. So the first one here is x squared plus 2x minus 4y plus 4 is 0. First, we will identify the coefficient A, B, and C. So, our A is equal to 1. Our B is equal to 0 since there is no xy here. And our C is equal to 0 since there are no y squared here. So, we will use the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. All we do is to distribute each value to discriminant. So, the value of b is 0. Copy the constant 4. The value of a is 1. And the value of C is 0. So 0 squared is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So our discriminant is 0. So it is a parabola. Another example is 3x squared minus 5y squared minus 6x plus y minus 2 is 0. First, we will identify the coefficient A, B, and C. So, coefficient A contains positive 3. Our coefficient B contains 0 since there is no xy here. And our coefficient C contains negative 5. So, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. All we do is to distribute each value to discriminant. So, the value of b is 0. Copy the constant 4. The value of a is 3. And the value of c is negative 5. So, 0 squared is equal to 0. Then, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 5 is equal to positive 60. So, 0 plus 60 is equal to 60. So, our discriminant is greater than 0. So, it is a hyperbola. Another example is x squared plus y squared plus 7x minus 4y minus 8 is 0. First, we will identify the coefficient A, B, and C. So, the coefficient C is equal to 1. The coefficient C contains 0 since there is no xy here. And our coefficient C contains positive 1. So, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. And all we do is to distribute each value to discriminant. So, b is 0. Copy the constant 4. The value of a is positive 1. Then the value of c is positive 1. 0 squared is 0. Negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. So, 0 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. So, our discriminant is less than 0. And A is equal to C. So, this is circle. Another example is 20y squared plus 12x squared minus 12x plus 40y minus 37 is 0. First, we will identify the coefficient A, B, and C. So, our coefficient C is equal to 12. Our coefficient B contains 0 since there is no xy curve. And our coefficient C contains 20. So, we will solve it using our discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So, all we do is to distribute each value to discriminant. So, b is 0. Copy the constant 4. The value of a is 12. And the value of c is 20. So, 0 squared is equal to 0. Negative 4 times 12 times 20 is equal to negative 960. 0 minus 960 is equal to negative 960. So, our discriminant is less than 0. And A is not equal to 0. So, it is an ellipse. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learn a lot from this video. You may like and comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.